welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope y'all are doing great. I am super excited about today's video. I'm going to be doing a review and a tutorial on the ITSMYRAYERAYE palette. Oh my god, I finally got my hands on this palette. This is the ITSMYRAYERAYE palette, and it's a collab palette with BH Cosmetics and ITSMYRAYERAYE. Her name is Ray Boyce. She's on Instagram. She's a big beauty influencer. Her tutorials are banging. She has done collabs with other brands as well, like ColourPop. But this is her newest palette. It's a 21 color eyeshadow, highlight, and contour palette. So can I just say, I love compact palettes like this. They have the eyeshadow shades that you need, highlight pigments, contour pigments, everything. So that was a biggie for me with this palette because, again, I love compact palettes. So most of the shadow shades are matte except for the bottom 5. And I'll do a couple of swatches later when I get ready to do my tutorial, but can I just say that they're pigmented, and you're going to hear me say that they're pigmented probably 1,000 times throughout this whole video because I just want you to understand how pigmented these shades are, and I love a pigmented palette, okay? And so down here we have our highlight colors and our contour colors. The contour shades, of course, are matte, and then the highlights are, oh my god, they're just so shimmery and pretty. The palette was very inexpensive in my opinion. I think it was about $23, and the packaging is super cute. The outside is pretty, and it's just so compact. Like, it just folds down into a nice little size compact palette, and it has a mirror on the inside as well. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I took care of my foundation. I have on my absolute favorite foundation, my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r foundation. My favorite. And I also went ahead and took care of my brows, and I used the NYX Tame and Frame Brow Pomade in chocolate is my color. I'm going to start by priming my eyes with the NYX Pigment Primer. I got this from Ulta. I love NYX products too. They're super affordable and they work very, very well. So I'm going to go ahead and prime both of my eyes with this primer. Alright, so I have my primer applied to both of my eyes, and I'm going to start with a base color, and I'm going to go ahead and start with Nudist. And I'm just going to apply Nudist all over my lid. So this is Connie. Let's see. Ooh, that purple. And Friday. That's pretty. And then Tiffany. So this is Connie and Friday and Tiffany. So I'm going to go ahead and apply Connie to my lid, and I'm going to start in the outer corner. So I have Connie on my lids now. So Tiffany has some shimmer and glitter to it, and because of that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Minor Sin, and this will just help the shimmer and the glitter pop a little bit. So now I'm going to go over my lid with Tiffany. crease just a teeny bit with Connie again. So I have Connie and Tiffany on right now. I'm not finished my face just yet, but I want you guys to see how the shadow looks. It is Poppington, okay? It's Poppington. I'm going to use Mocha next, just to give my face a little bit of definition and contour. So I'm applying a little bit of Mocha. Again, a little goes a long way, so you don't need a tremendous amount. So I've used Moonlight before, but I haven't tried Radiant or French Toast, so I think I'm going to have to swatch these two. Ooh, Radiant's pretty. And then French Toast. Oh, that's pretty too. This is Radiant and this is French Toast. Oh my. Oh my. Y'all know I have to be a little extra. So I'm going to French Toast my nose just a little bit. I'm just putting a little brush of French Toast under my eye as well. I love it. I love this palette. I love the eyeshadow shades. I love the highlighters. I love the contour pigments. Love it. Alright, so I got a little ahead of myself and I forgot to apply my blush. So I'm going to go back in with a little bit of blush. And I am using this Too Faced Love Flush blush palette. I think I am going to go in with Love Hangover. So the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go on my bottom lid with Connie, and that was the first purple color that I used. And I think this just helps bring out the shadow a little bit. I'm going to extend it out just a tad bit to where my liner is. If this is your first time tuning into my YouTube channel, as always, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then turn those notifications on because you don't want to miss any of my videos. Hope you guys take care of yourselves and I'll see you next time.